Hello and very welcome dear learners to the course of Learning Python. As you all are keen to learn Python from scratch, so let's get started without any delay. But wait, before getting started, we must know why learn Python or what good it will be if you learn Python. Yes, of course, some of you must already know the answer to this question, but let's see it for once from scratch. For this, let's first understand what actually is Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Oops, that was cool to read, but was a bouncer, right? I know, still confused. So let's make it simple. For now, let's know that Python is a programming language really simple to use and yet has very vast usage. Having known that Python is so popular, what actually is Python, let's learn a little about the person who brought the Python into existence and made such a widely usable and most favorite language. And trust me, it's not boring. So let's see some history. In the late 1980s, it was developed by Guido van Rossum. Van Rossum modeled Python after the English language, eliminating unnecessary syntax to make it easier to read and write than other programming languages, which is the main feature why Python is the most popular language among all the other programming languages. Having known who invented Python, let us now understand what makes Python so unique and popular. It got many things to add to it. That is, it first says that it is a simple language, which is so true. Because Python is such a simple language that you even don't understand whether you're coding or you're just writing it into your English language. As Van Rosen designed the language after the English alphabets and grammar, so it is a really simple language. This is the most important perks of using Python. It got no complex syntaxes and it makes it really easy to understand and learn to code in Python. Thus, it's easy to learn. Also, it performs the most complex task like a cakewalk. It does all the complex coding into just few lines so that it becomes really easy and is really like it's a cakewalk. Also, Python is great for building the micro projects or macro web enterprise projects. There are a lot many things that you can do with Python without even knowing that what difficult task that we are actually performing. Python is having its most major perk that it also supports other programming languages. And there is a lot more to add to the perks and beauty of Python. So let's move ahead. Having known what is making Python so popular? This is important to know who makes it popular or who uses Python. Definitely, there are some people or some professionals who are using Python and making it so popular. So let's know who uses Python. Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers, hackers, and lot more professionals use this language. But why do these professionals prefer Python over many different languages available in the market and in this? So let's see the answer to the why. This why also got many reasons. The most important reason is that it's a versatile, flexible, and its object-oriented features makes Python most preferable over any other programming languages. Also, many of the web and mobile applications we enjoy today is because of Python's abundant libraries, various frameworks, vast collections of modules and file extensions. Python provides with great libraries and various frameworks which are so well maintained and up to date that it makes easy for the developers to bring up something new and interesting. Knowing all the stuff and these amazing features of Python, I hope now you all have got many reasons for why learn Python. Thank you for now. I am Trishna Chakraborty from Learning Studies. See you soon in the next lecture.